Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who lived in a little house in the wood. It was the neatest house you could imagine. There was a larder full of the best corn and barley, a dear little bed made from the finest straw, and a little fire to keep the hen warm in the evening. The little hen was an independent hen. She had a private income and lived on her own. Consequently, she had to go out and find sticks for the fire herself. Roughly translated, the little hen was telling herself to take care while searching for sticks in case the wolf should try and pounce on her. The wily wolf, who lived in a den nearby, was always trying to outfox or outwolf the hen, try as he may. The little red hen was always too clever for him and always managed to get away. On one occasion, he had actually got the hen into his mouth when she said, "Tell everybody you've caught me at last! Quack, 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 quack!" "I got the hen," he cried, opening his mouth to say it, and off she'd flown. "This is going to take some thought," said the wolf. Before long, he dreamed up a particularly clever scheme. So confident was he of success that he even told his old mother to put the pot on the boil. "Oh, yes. Tonight we're going to have the best boiled chicken you've ever eaten." Saying that, the wolf crept out of his den, his sack slung over his back, and crept through the woods towards the little red hen's cottage. Before long, the little red hen came down the steps and started picking up sticks for the fire. She had not seen the wolf, nor had she shut her front door. Silently, the wolf tiptoed into the little red hen's cottage and hid behind a nail. The little hen returned to the cottage. The wolf leaped out on her, so she dropped all the sticks and squawking, she flew up to the high beam below her roof where the wolf could not reach her. The little hen observed the wolf from the safety of the beam. "Oh, Mr. Wolf, it's a question of who will give in first." "We'll see about that," he replied as he began to pace round and round beneath the beam, seeking inspiration. Slowly at first, then gathering speed, the wolf seemed to be chasing his tail. Faster and faster he spun, like a spinning ballerina, until he seemed to be like a grey blur. Oh! The hen felt her head spinning round, and her eyes spinning round, and soon she became so dizzy she dropped down from the beam, plop, right into the wolf's open sack. The wolf was not exactly feeling great himself after his mad dance, and for a moment or two staggered around, lurching here and lurching there, lurching everywhere. "Oh, yes, I got you this time, and a very nice supper you make with leeks, red wine, and hoibs. I shall call you Coq au vin, The little red hen luckily did not speak French like half of England, so was not unduly worried, except about being eaten that evening, of course. After all his exertions, the wolf was feeling rather tired, so decided the idiot to take a nap. He placed the sack down on the ground and was soon in the land of Nod, wherever that may be. Some say it's Lewisham. No sooner was the wolf asleep than the little red hen popped her head out of the sack, which the stupid wolf had forgotten to tie up, and crept away. Quickly she collected some large stones, carrying them precariously with her wings, and put them in the sack, secured the top, and ran off home. The wolf, who had been dreaming of eating little goats and little pigs and the occasional elephant, woke up. Oh, now back home we go, and let's get this chicken in the pot. He picked up the sack, which felt much heavier than before. Oh, this little hen must be fatter than I thought. His mother had the pot boiling away merrily as the wolf came into the den. How about that? How about that? At last I caught the little red hen, and what a dinner we're gonna have. Is that water really boiling, Mother?
Yes, it certainly is.
Say bye-bye, little hen, said the wolf. Some months later, the little hen thought she caught a sight of a wolf, heavily bandaged, slinking off behind some trees. She couldn't be sure, but to this day, he never troubled her again. I'll get you one day, you see.